Namaste everyone. Today we will practice the one-legged king pigeon pose. For this practice you will need a block and a strap. So let's get started. So first get into the pigeon position. So placing a block underneath the left buttock. And then just make sure that you strap your ankle first before you get into the pose. So once your leg is extended, it's a lot harder to strap it. And then next is to level your hips. Use your hands to support you. You can always tuck the back toes under, lift your hips, and then you're going to roll it forward and down. And just quickly check if the front of the back thigh here, your quads, is facing down to the mat. And then going to keep your toes tucked under. So usually, if your back is a little tight, you'll find it hard to come up to a vertical position. Just keep your hands on the floor instead and work on extending your spine and squeezing the inner thighs together. Okay? Activating your core to support your back. And then next, if you feel comfortable here, place your hands on your leg and see if you can come into a vertical spine position. Now, you know not only from here that it is actually safe to enter the one-legged king pigeon pose. Now, if you're comfortable, just grab the strap and make sure the elbows and your triceps are facing forward. Now, take an inhale here. And as you exhale, contract your right glute and hamstring to bring that right leg up. So extend your arms overhead. You're still keeping your triceps and elbows forward. Flex your right foot if you can. And then you point a little bit. Flex and point. And then when you feel comfortable, walk your hands lower towards the back of your head and down towards the back of your neck. And make sure the triceps and elbows are still facing forward. Then make sure you don't over-arch to strain the back here. That's the last thing we want to do in this pose. So take an inhale. So try to squeeze your inner thighs a little bit more, taking that right hip forward, lift the chest, looking up. Now, it is okay that you're not in the full one-legged king pigeon pose yet. Just find freedom in this posture, especially freedom in your breathing. And then slowly as you exhale, straighten your arms and very gently lower the back leg down. Okay, and bring it forward and relax for a while before you practice on the second side. Happy practicing. Namaste.